If you have a reptile or a lizard and you don't know how to clean their enclosure and keep the smell down in your house from the reptile or lizard, stay tuned because I'm going to show you today how I clean my leopard gecko's enclosure. And before we get started, if you're not subscribed to my channel, subscribe and hit your notification bell and hit the thumbs up so you get all the notifications every time that I upload. This is his enclosure. This is where he lives. There he is, sound asleep, and I feel so bad waking him up. But I have to do it. I need to do it. It needs cleaned really bad. So this is Lenny. Oh, he just woke up. He heard me talking. This is Lenny, my leopard gecko. He's an almost albino. Almost. He just turned a year old the end of May. I bought him the first week in June. So right at a year I've had him. I have this old container that I'm just going to pick him up in and carry him to his new temporary home. So Lenny is a pretty much tame leopard gecko. For him to be so young, he is pretty tame. Okay guys, he's in there. He's fine. He's exploring, but he'll be fine. So it's time to tackle his house. Ooh, that's hot. I'm not going to put his heat rock back in there. He doesn't really get on it, so I'm not going to put it back to take up space. So. I've got everything taken out. I've got it vacuumed out, everything. This is the terrarium cleaner that I use. I got this off of Amazon. I will put the link to this in the description if you want to grab it. If you have a lizard and you don't know how to clean it or get rid of the smell, any of it, this is what I use. It says, remove all animals, objects, and substrate from your terrarium. Spray and let sit for 2 or 3 minutes. Rinse thoroughly with water and only return once the terrarium is completely dry. So that's what we're going to do. Okay, I'm going to let this all dry. Give you a little checkup on how Lenny is doing. He's fine. And we see. He's keeping Fat Willie entertained. Hi, you're fine. You see how he calmed down once I come over here? You're fine. I moved him over here closer and turned him around so he could watch me and what I'm doing. But he's calmed down a little bit since I turned him around. Hey, buddy. Isn't he pretty for a lizard? He's a pretty boy. Here are the new things that I bought to put in there. We upgraded his cave. It's much bigger. We've got this, which is cool. He's got this area to climb through there, and then a spot over here to sit. Plus, back here in the back, there's a little tunnel as well. We've got the new substrate to put in there. It's the same as the other, but I just needed a new one. But it feels like rocks and sand. And then there's this kit here. And we've got this to put in there. Some rocks. It's like some kind of a bark. And different kinds of moss to put in there as well. I don't know how well you can see it, but it's got texture like little rocks on it. Now we need to figure out how we want to put everything back. He goes to the bathroom in the exact same spot every time since day one. So I know where that stuff is going to go, but all this other stuff, we'll have to figure it out. Those are going in the exact same spot that they were. It's his house. I don't want to rearrange it. I just want to make it better. Then I've got these cool rocks. Don't know really what to do with them. I'm just going to place them in different spots. And I have these cool pieces of bark that I'm going to put in there. I'm probably going to end up moving these things around until I figure out how I want them. But, you know. And he'll probably move some things around too on his own. Over here behind in this back corner, that's where he goes to the bathroom. And then I have the different kinds of moss. I'm probably going to put some of it in this corner over here. My husband wants to see if he'll build like a little nest or something, since he has manipulated this tree the way he has on his own. So I'm going to put some of this moss in and just see what happens. I'll keep you guys updated. Okay, this is what I have. It's just like some kind of felt, but it's made for terrariums. I don't remember ever using it, but I must have at some point for something. I don't know. But I'm going to cut a square and I'm going to put it in the corner where he goes to the bathroom. And then I'll just change it out and cut a new piece as I need to. So that's what I'm going to do. I'll say this like this. And I'm just going to stick it in this back corner where he goes to the restroom. I have these thermometers that also has the humidity in the corner. Those go right here. And we have a light and a heat lamp on this side. And we also have a heat lamp on this other side. Over here, I have the thermometer for his heating pad that is underneath this area over here. This is his hot side. And then I have this power strip that holds 8 plug-ins. 4 of them can go on a timer and the other 4 are turn on and off on your own. I'm going to plug everything back in, and then when it warms up, we'll come back and put him inside his new house. We've got 2 heat lamps and the light and the thermometer. I took his heat rock out. Yeah, that's everything. So I'm going to let everything warm back up and then we'll get him put back in. But this is what we're looking like, y'all. Whenever we bought this top piece to kind of cover and disclose all the lights and the lamps and everything, it just changed the whole look of the enclosure as a whole. But yeah, guys, this is what we're looking at. And that's it, guys. Lenny the leopard gecko is back in his new and improved home. Do you have a lizard or some sort of reptile? Did you know that there were products to safely clean their enclosures? Let me know in the comments below. If you made it to the end of the video, put a lizard emoji in the comments and let me know that you stayed for the end of the video. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll see y'all next time.